Big news for Galaxy Watch users in the US. Samsung has finally started rolling out the One UI 8 watch update for the Galaxy Watch 7, and this one's packed with new features, a fresh UI, and some seriously impressive health upgrades you'll definitely want to try. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung rolled out the stable version of One UI 8 watch based on Wear OS 6 in South Korea. And now, the update is live in the US for both the 40mm and 44mm Galaxy Watch 7 models with cellular connectivity. Those are model numbers SMEL305 and SMEL315. Currently available on Verizon's network, the update carries the firmware version L3XX, USQ, U1B, YI4, and if you want to install it right now, just open the Galaxy Wearable app on your Android phone. Go to Settings, Next Watch Software Update and click Download and Install. And if you're using the non-cellular version or live outside the US, don't worry, Samsung's expected to expand the rollout globally in the coming days. Now, let's talk about what's new in One UI 8 watch. First up, a refreshed user interface. You'll notice a new charging animation and an improved notification layout that looks cleaner and easier to read. Then, there's the Now bar, which lets you keep track of your ongoing activities at a glance, perfect for workouts or multitasking. You're also getting multi-widget tiles pages, a personalized app screen, and better watch face recommendations so you can truly make your Watch 7 feel like your own. And for fitness lovers, this is where it gets exciting. Samsung's added antioxidant index, bedtime guidance, a smarter running coach, and a vascular load tracker to help you better understand your body and performance over time. So yeah, this update isn't just cosmetic. It's a big step forward for both usability and health tracking. So if you're in the US and rocking a Galaxy Watch 7, head over and grab the One UI 8 watch update right now. It's one you don't want to miss. What's your favorite new feature, the updated UI or the advanced health tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy staying on top of Samsung's latest software updates and smartwatch news, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's a lot more coming with One UI 8.5 and beyond. See you in the next one.